between 21 to, or let's say 24, where age between 24 and 20, or let's say 31. So it gives you the range in between.
And it doesn't need a bracket?
It doesn't need a bracket. Syntax you can verify anytime. The concept is same. So V. Let's see.
We can have like a screenshot and print it out so we can kind of memorize this.
Yeah, I made my notes here. See, every time I learn something, if I have to run, I make my notes here.
No, I mean like the.
So you can print this out. For what?
The one you're showing us, the query. This one.
Select
For example,
platform.
we can practice at home.
I am giving you all these queries. I'll email you all all the queries that we are doing.
Okay.
Yeah.
I wish I got my computer so that
Now do you see the age? I want to find out the employees between 24 and 30. So this employee and this employee is not displayed here. So that's a correct example of between. I want to find out the age is between these two values, 24 and 31.
So 24 and 31 is not going to be displayed?
Yes.
It is?
No. It's not going to display. So that's in and between. So there are plenty of other things you can search more. So now you know what is conditions and what are the operators you can do. Now let's do other join. Okay. Delete we did the delete my queries. Insert we did. Update we did. We delete from record. Delete we did, right? We did all the select, insert, update and delete. We did create table. We applied the conditions and we understood what the filter criteria means, where is this, right? Now and we saw this like and everything that. If you want to find out distinct records, let me show you how to do that. Now let's see this. Ascending, every is a distinct, okay. Do you see now there are two Jacks here, Jack Bauer and Jack Geller. Jack Bauer 24. I like that guy very much. So it's very good series. I'm really fan of it, so I added that.
Is it coming up?
No, it's end. It's completed now. So if I want to find out the distinct record in this one, so how do I do that? Jack is more than one time. The ideal example for this one is, let's say you have a table where order table. Let's say you ordered one camera, she ordered an MP3. You ordered one more time an handycam. You ordered an iPod and you ordered an iPhone also. That means as a customer ID, your one and your order ID and item. Right? So you ordered the iPod here.
So it will
You
find
ordered
you
MP3.
by the ID number?
Yeah, so this is your first order, this is your receipt. But customer ID is same. MP3, then you said maybe a web camera. Then another customer, known year. She has ordered one item of an iPad. Okay. So now from the same table, your number of records are 3. But you want to find out the distinct record in that. You have how many orders? You only did. So how many total number of patients? How many total number of users were there? 2, right? So I wanted to find out only 2. Distinct means they are different. How many different type of customers I had totally? So for that we use distinct. So let's see how that. So we will find out the distinct record in first name. So how many should come? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So let's do that. Select distinct, and you need to specify which column, and it will give you only that column. So from employee. So did you see now 6 records? Okay, so that was distinct. We saw the between, alias is not that. Okay, so let's begin on my computer. I may save all this thing. Software testing. Okay, so now we are going to learn joins. So what we are going to do here is we will have two tables, employee and salary. Let me create one and then do that. Okay, let me delete this one. Oh, I think I had a separate joins. Okay, so first I'll create an employee table. Uh-oh. Okay, then connects. Okay, so now we have this employee table and salary table. Let's see how the tables look like. You see, an employee ID, first name, last name, age, address and city. Again, same thing. ID, first name, last name, address, age, and here is paycheck ID. Okay, employee ID, and salary, and department, and month. So we'll enter one record here for one's first employee, second employee, third employee, for first paycheck for first employee, second paycheck for first employee, third paycheck for second employee. Are you with me so far? Little bit complex. Right? For January, for February, and fourth paycheck for second employee, February. Let's insert those values here first. So I already wrote all those things, so I don't have to write it here one more time. And okay. So now do you see I have.
Can you show us again how you do the join? That part
Yeah, that I have not come to that part yet.
Okay, so I was confused.
Right. So I'm just creating the table on which we are going to do the joins now. Then what are the types of joins we have? So join what does that mean? Means you are going to display these two together. Joins mean joining of two tables, combining them and showing the records. So we have how many here? 6 employees, and for them we have 7 paycheck. We have Pritesh, Nirali, Mike, John, Jack, Monica as an employee. So we have paycheck for which employees? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2 and 3. Pritesh, Nirali and Mike. Again, Pritesh, Nirali and Mike. And the 8th one is CEO. But that employee we don't have here. Are you looking so far, right? So we have two tables. One is employee, one is salary. Here we put employee information, and unique employee is defined by this employee ID. How many total employees we have? As a 7. And there is 8th employee that we did not mention here, but we have generated a salary for that. That's a CEO. So if I wanted to find out total number of salary, or if I wanted to combine these two tables together, what is the options I have available? So for that the answers are join. So when you join two tables as an inner join, so what does an inner join means? It will show you the records if both has a common records. Let's say if I join, there are various ways I can join these two together. One is inner join, one is left join, one is right join, and one is full join. So if I join this together using an inner join, so it will show me only the common records in between those two. If I join as a left join, it will show all the records from the left table and the common records on the right side, and the rest of the values will be null. If I join in a right join, it will show me all the records from right side and only the common from left side. Right? So let's see how does that work. How do you write the query for that? So to join this together, they need a contact point. It's a common column. They need that. We can apply join based on only on that. If you don't have this common value here, you cannot do the join. That's the basic
So at
thing.
least
One
have to
column
one
should be common.
should be in common,
Yes.
the same,
Same thing.
to select from something.
To select from something and to put join on that one. So how do you write a join? So to join, the query for join is select,
So we join
let's say inner, or any kind of join. You select start from table and inner. In here you will specify your join and the table name again, table 1. Here is table 2, and you specify on what is the column of table 1 equal to column table 2. So here you can specify it's an inner, outer, or left or right. Guys, right? Select start from table 1, join on table 2, and the type of join on which column you want to join those two. Guys, are you with me so far? Then let's switch in.
What did you say, column 2?
Column from table 2, column from table 1.
Oh,
So this is the column from table 1 and column from table 2. So we are going to put employee IDs together. Okay? So now let's do that. So let's write a query for that. So let's start writing. Select. I want to join. Select.
I don't like SQL. No, I don't.
Once you practice and if you get familiar with that, there is nothing else
See,
you want
like
to
the
do.
others which is we were practicing, like the Mercury, like quality center. It's more fun. Here, it's just like, I mean,
That's